really like to dedicate this track to my ex. Name starts with Goat, ends with Windows. We had history, crashy like history, but I moved on to something stable. Let's go.
Dear Windows, you drama queen, always freezing like it's Halloween. Your updates hit like drunk raccoons. Restart now, I'm in a Zoom. You crash more times than my dating apps. Tried to open Paint, boom, relapse. Could be still trying to make a comeback move. Like it looks like you suck, want help, dude. Your task manager shady, always lying. 99 to Gene CPU, who's spying? And don't get me started on that blue screen. Looks like sadness, stress, and Billie Jean. Ctrl Alt Bye, I'm done with your lies. You ghosted my files and gas at my drives. Linux treat me right, no bass so deep. I run commands while you beg on your knees.
Enter Linux, no tuck, still slick. Custom shell, and I code real quick. Got no ads, no nags, no shady claws. Just pseudo power and applause. I make servers per dev, swoon, hackers cheer. You need a reboot just to make that clear. I dual booted once, never again. Felt like dating twins, but one drinks gin.
Package managers that actually manage. Meanwhile, Windows still trying to scan this damage. Linux be like, you want it raw or wrapped. Windows be like, oops, something went sapped. Ctrl Alt Bye, can't gaslight the sky. You lag like you're powered by French fry Wi-Fi. I'm root now, baby, penguin pride. Tux took my hand and I said, let's glide.
Never never stole edge. You lag like you're powered by French fry Wi-Fi.
I'm rooting now, baby, penguin pride. Tux took my hand and I said, let's glide.
To uninstall Edge, it's like a hostage negotiation. You sure? It's part of the experience. No, Karen, I just want Chrome or literally anything else. Don't get me started on those random pop-ups.
Do you love Windows? No, I tolerate it like a bad roommate.